Hi everyone, welcome to Prep Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the various courses offered by Banaras Hindu University and the domains which we should choose to appear for those courses. So initially we are going to look into BA Honours course, and plenty of courses are offered by Banaras Hindu University. It includes economics, history, political science, sociology, psychology, geography, and almost everything, like including history of art and even performing arts, etc. So basically, for BA Honours subject courses like political science, sociology, etc., we have to choose general test and English as our domain subjects to appear for these courses. General test and English would simply suffice for these courses, but still, if you are applying for more universities like Delhi University or other universities, you should choose other domains also. For example, if you are a student of humanities, you can choose history, sociology, political science, etc. for your domain subjects. And moving on to BA Honours LLB is one of the most sought after courses in Banaras Hindu University. And in the previous year, we had legal studies as one of our domain subjects. But this year, legal studies has been removed, and general test and English would be enough to appear for BA Honours LLB course. And BCom Honours and BCom Honours in Financial Market Management, as it is about financial market management, they have said that accountancy should be one of the domains we should study or appear for CUET UG examination. And along with that, you can appear for general studies and business studies. These three subjects will make you eligible to appear for BCom and BCom Honours in Financial Market Management, BHU. Also, agriculture is also one of the best courses in BHU. And there are multiple options for domain subjects in agriculture. They're offering chemistry plus mathematics and physics as one of the domain maps, and the second one is biology plus chemistry and physics. Along with this, there is a third option like agriculture plus biology plus chemistry. These three options are available in agriculture course. And BSc Honours for multiple subjects like mathematics, statistics, computer science, physics, chemistry, geography, and other science. And we can see a couple of subjects mapped to this thing. Like, for example, if you have studied physics, maths, and any of the following subjects like chemistry, statistics, geology, computer science, and geography, you can appear in CUET UG with these three subjects like math, physics, and chemistry. Maths plus physics plus chemistry should be taken by students who have appeared in that +2 in these three subjects like physics plus math plus any of the other subjects including chemistry, geology, computer science, etc. And for students who have appeared with physics, chemistry, and biology or geology or geography, then they should opt for these domains like biology plus physics plus chemistry. And these are applicable for the courses like botany, chemistry, zoology, home science, geography, and earth science. So we can see earth science in maths group, as well as we can see earth science in bio group. So both have different criteria. Please take it in mind. BSc Honours in Medical Technology, that means radiotherapy. They are giving a specialization for radiotherapy. And if you have studied any of the following subjects like physics plus chemistry plus biology or mathematics, you can appear for physics plus chemistry plus biology or math as your domain subject. And for BSc Honours in Medical Radiology and Imaging Technology, you have to choose biology plus physics plus chemistry, and it is mandatory that you have studied physics, chemistry, and biology in your +2. You should appear for biology, physics, and chemistry in your CUET UG examination also. And for BTech, Banaras Hindu University is offering two streams in BTech. That includes dairy tech and food tech, dairy technology and food technology. And both courses have a common subject mapping. It includes chemistry, physics, and math. There are multiple Bachelor of Vocational courses in BHU that includes fashion technology and apparel designing or modern office management. Those are two different courses. For these two courses, we have to appear for English or Hindi as one of the language. Plus, you have to appear for general test. And for hospitality and tourism management, BVOC in hospitality and tourism management, you can also appear for English or Hindi plus general test. This is also applicable for retail and logistics management, BVOC in retail and logistics management. This course also requires any language like English or Hindi as one of the language and general test as the domain. But for BVOC in medical lab technology, you should appear for one language, English or Hindi, plus biology or biotechnology. You should appear for biology or biotechnology. Here, general test is not necessary for this course. BVOC in food processing and management. For BVOC in food processing and management, you should either choose chemistry plus physics plus math as one of your domains, or you can choose chemistry plus physics plus biology as one of your domains. And along with that, you can also appear for biology or chemistry and agriculture. Biology plus chemistry plus agriculture can also be taken as a subject combination for BVOC in food processing and management. And for Bachelor of Fine Arts in Applied Arts, like that includes textile design, pottery, ceramic, etc. Those are fine arts courses. For that, you should appear for the particular domain subject as fine arts or visual arts or commercial arts. This particular domain should be chosen as your CUET UG domain. Along with that, you would be expected to have a practical examination that would be conducted in the campus itself. So it would have about 50-50 weightage, like 50% weightage would be for your CET UG examination and the 50% weightage would be for your practical examination. And for Sanskrit studies, you have to pick Sanskrit as one of your languages for this examination, and it is not necessary that you should appear for any other domain subjects. And finally, for Bachelor of Performing Arts, you should choose Performing Arts as one of your domain subjects, and there will be 50% weightage for a practical examination conducted in the campus. So that's all about BHU. Thank you for watching this video.